Chancellor of University of Science and Technology Meghalaya and Chairman of ERD Foundation, Shri Mehbubul Haq Sir, Professor Nageshwar Rao, Honorable Vice Chancellor, Indira Gandhi National Open University, New Delhi, Dr. T.G. Sitaram, Honorable Director, IIT Guwahati, Professor P.S. Shukla, Honorable Vice Chancellor, Northeastern Hill University, Shillong, Honorable Dr. Saket Kushwaha, Honorable Vice Chancellor, Rajiv Gandhi University, Arunachal Pradesh, all our dignitaries, invited guests, academic council members, Board of Governors, Board of Management, advisors, well-wishers, invited guests, deans of different schools, HODs and faculty members, students and the staff of university, all other invited guests, Techno-City press, as well as press and media personals. Ladies and gentlemen, at the outset, I take this opportunity to congratulate all those who will be getting their degree during this convocation, and also congratulate the parents of degree awardee for their support and encouragement to their wards during their studies at USTM. We feel delighted by the august presence of our dignitaries, especially the Director IIT, Vice Chancellors of various central universities, state university, and also our industry partners. I am also overjoyed to share with you all that the University of Science and Technology Meghalaya is the only private university in Northeastern Hill region accredited by NAAC with grade A in its first cycle of assessment and accreditation. The peer team members of NAAC committee have highly appreciated the university for holistic development of the students of Northeast India. We also aspire further to take the university to the new height of excellence. Ladies and gentlemen, I have a great pleasure in welcoming you all this to the 7th convocation of this university. As we all have assembled here to formally celebrate the academic achievements of our graduates, postgraduates and scholars, I would like to take few moments to reflect upon the auspicious beginning and achievement of the university. USTM is one of the youngest universities which started its journey on 6 September 2011. The idea had taken shape after 2 years of deliberations carried out by educationists, researchers and scientists, the Development Foundation and also ERDF, with eminent educationists, former vice chancellors, distinguished scientists and public figures in Northeast, under the leadership of Mr. Mehbubul Haq, an educationist, entrepreneur and chairman ERDF. The USTM is the institution dedicated to the cause of high-quality science, technology, education, and advanced research in frontier areas of the different subjects which are relevant to Northeastern region. In USTM, the journey started with 7 students in 2011. Now we have 5,550 students in university campus itself. In this 7th convocation, a total number of 1,332 students will be receiving their degrees, out of which 823 PG students, 498 at UG students and 11 PhD. Along with this, we have 3 DSc and DLit awardee, namely Dr. Abdul Wase, Professor of Medicine, Wright State University, USA, Padam Shri awardee Dr. Ravi Kannan, Director, Kachar Cancer Hospitals, Silchar, Assam, and our great media personnel, Dr. Prashant Rajguru. You will be happy to know that our students, 57% of them belongs to the women category and 61% to the scheduled tribes, scheduled caste and OBC category. USTM has a number of policies which are favoring the students, particularly the socially those students who cannot afford the fees. Free admission for meritorious poor students and toppers are provided. Free ship at USTM with initiative of ERDF. This year we have also 23 students who have qualified UGC NET JRF examination. And this year our university has also been given a company of NCC and Bharat Scout to USTM. This is the first university to get at university level Bharat Scouts program. Apart from the different programs related to various academic activities during this COVID-19 pandemic, our university has been conducting online lectures, workshops, webinars, training to faculty and non-teaching staff without losing a single day. Corona has changed the mode of delivery of teaching, learning and pedagogy. This has reached we have seen the challenge, how we have overcome and how the university has reached to unreached students in rural and isolated areas of northeastern region. Several workshops, webinars, etc. have been conducted. And recently we have also seen that the Vision 50 Academy for Talent has also been launched in June 2021. A number of other things like horse riding club was also launched. New departments like Hindi, Assamese, Yoga Science have also been launched in 2021. In coming years, university is planning to start more skill-oriented courses and research along with a number of universities in coordination and also in collaboration, particularly in areas of South and Southeast Asian studies, artificial intelligence and machine learning, herbal product, organic agriculture and food research production. Research in some of these thrust areas is also identified, particularly in climate change issues, and also university is encouraging scholars to take such areas, such topics which have direct relevance to the society of northeastern region. Along with our academic activities, a number of extracurricular activities also have been organized. This time, students, we have seen that they are performing very excellence in their sports activities. Recently, one of our students from Political Science Department has bagged bronze medal. Along with this, a number of infrastructure study facilities have also been added by the university. The university has strengthened infrastructure for classrooms, laboratory by adding 2 new blocks and additional laboratory space with Wi-Fi enabled whole campus. All classrooms are with Wi-Fi and 24 LED smart classrooms with a unique facility for the students to have this interactive teaching learning system. Along with this, in social front, the relief fund and services to families during the lockdown period have also been organized by USTM in the month of April and May. And also, USTM has sent its medical team along with the students volunteers to take part with NGO with the mobile COVID-19 vaccination camp in collaboration with different NGOs to cover more than 3,000 persons, including Divyangan. University has been signing MOU, and at present we have signed more than 110 MOUs with different central universities, IIT Guwahati, JNU, and also state universities, CSIR laboratory like NIST, IASST Guwahati, and also some of the MOU recently signed with industries, particularly CIDC and the Institute of the Excellence recently. A number of awards and recognitions have been earned by the university. Visits of eminent personalities to USTM. We have more than 1,000 eminent personalities and literary stalwarts of country and outside. They have visited university on various occasions. I am happy to report the visit of former President of India, Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam, Honorable Governors of Meghalaya, Assam and Arunachal Pradesh, Nagaland, Honorable CMs of Meghalaya and Assam, Union Ministers from different states. Recently, Dr. Hemant Biswa Sharma, Honorable Chief Minister of Assam and Honorable Chief Minister of Meghalaya, Shri Konark Sangmaji, they have visited university campus and also unveiled the statue of Mahatma Gandhi. The certain our visitors who recently visited includes Dr. Manas Chaudhary, former Education Minister of Meghalaya and Padam Shri Awardee, who has also addressed the audience of USTM on the occasion of National Education Day 2021. Former Chief Election Commissioner of India, Shri Naveen Chawla addressed the students and teachers recently, and he emphasized that every university should have an active group and also participate in election process of the country to make democratic system strong. He has also unveiled the statue of Dr. B.R. Ambedkar on this auspicious occasion. Dr. P.R. Sarup, Director General of CIDC, New Delhi, who has also signed MOU with USTM, has also graced the occasion on the September 2021, along with the Education Minister of Meghalaya and Education Minister of Assam. He has also inaugurated the International Center of Excellence in USTM for the first time for the whole Northeastern and first time in India. Other dignitaries who have visited the USTM, they have highly appreciated the infrastructure and also quality of higher education. In conclusion of my report, I would like to offer my warm greetings to all the recipients of the various degrees and also salute to the eminent personalities who are getting DSc and DLit in this convocation. I thank our Honorable Chancellor and also Professor Nageshwar Rao, Honorable Vice Chancellor, IGNOU, for delivering the convocation address in coming few minutes. And also I convey my heartfelt thanks to all our Vice Chancellors from different universities, directors from different, and also the industry partners from Punjab National Bank. Before I conclude, I also extend my heartiest congratulations to all those recipients of degrees and distinctions at today's ceremonial function. The university is your alma mater and will always be with you. And I wish all the best wishes for your best future and also best endeavor. Last but not least, I would also like to express my sincere thanks to all those guests and all those concerned who have worked tirelessly to make the 7th convocation of our university a great success. Thank you and thank you all. Jai Hind. Thank you.